Hello there and welcome. This is Ryan Rock with Virtual Results, and I thought I'd create a quick video today because what we had a request come in, and it made me realize how uncommon this seemingly common desire to track something is. So let me introduce it. Okay, regular website. We know Google Analytics is installed. You can always see how many times your pages have been visited and so on. However, occasionally you'll have something like this. Let me show you. This is an off-site link. This user has a local market trends report. Okay, and you know, you pay no attention. This looks a little strange, but my point in showing you this is to simply show that it's an off-site link. Okay, I think it'd be nice to frame this into the page, make it just look a little bit better. But for this example, it's perfect because it's an off-site link. Did you know that your Google Analytics will not tell you the link that people left your website on or clicked on? So there's a simple workaround for it, okay? And let me go through the various steps. Okay, we've got this in. First of all, we have Google Analytics installed. Okay, fine and dandy. You got to have that, of course. Now, what's going to happen here, in order to accomplish this, we actually have to add a bit of code right here. It's an on-click bit of JavaScript, and what that does is it tells Google Analytics track an event, call it an outbound menu item, and then name it the URL so that I can see it. Okay, and let's go ahead and view this from the user perspective. Thank goodness now for real-time views in Google Analytics. What we're able to do here is actually see events as they happen. Okay, and so I'm just going to come over here and I'm going to hit. I'm going to click this link. Okay, I held down the control key so it opens in another tab, and lo and behold, event action right here, and you can see that there are several event actions here that have happened in the last 30 minutes. I can go through, and basically the event category is outbound menu, and the event action is the link. So if you wanted to make a goal out of this, you'd go and create your goals, and you'd create them based on event category, outbound menu, and the link, and you'd say, track my goals. Okay, and so in this case, that's exactly what I'm going to do in order to provide a really nice report. Let's go through it together. I'm going to jump over into the admin section here. I held down the control key just to open it up. I'm going to come into goals. I'm going to create a new goal, and my goal, I think it's going to be a destination here for this one. Submitted an inquiry. I usually do goals where we get a lead. You know what I mean? And so I know what to do. I'm just looking to see if there's something more appropriate here. There doesn't seem to be, so I'm gonna say click on Market Watch link. Okay, the destination is the type of goal, so we're going to go through there. I don't really like equals just because it's so specific. I like to be a little bit more vague, just in case something goes wrong and maybe there's some extra space or something like that. So I'm going to use begins with. Okay, and silly me. I'm. You tell that I'm illustrating something that doesn't happen a lot. Okay, so I'm going to go here, and I'm going to go save thing, create an account, but I'm not going to do destination. That's the whole point of this is I can't do destination. It's not on the site. Okay, event. Okay, category equals, and we're going to very, very, very carefully come over here, and I'm going to copy this. Okay, and the label equals event action. There is no label. Event action equals, oops, I didn't get it. Did you see that? Got to be careful with this stuff. I don't think the real time works for this verification. Okay, so it is valuable to do that. So I'm going to change this again to name it. It doesn't do anything. It just makes it easier to, understand. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up and import the new VR report and schedule it so this user can get this by email once a month. And I think you'll be really, really happy with that. All right. I hope this was helpful. In order for this to occur properly, there are a few elements you do need to ensure. Currently, the example that I'm using here, it does need to be on a standalone WordPress site, a custom site, and you will have to obviously have Google Analytics installed and the Yoast Google Analytics plugin, not just the Yoast SEO plugin. Okay, so let's pop, and you have to do a setting. So I'm going to pop over to that right now, and these can be set up, however you do this is fine. What you do have to have though is this clicked right here, and then when you're done testing it and so on, do remember to turn that stuff. Oops, not reset. That was a close call. Update settings. Okay, that's it. Thanks a ton. Make it a great day.